Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So this will be our last video for this tutorial series Python, okay, for the beginners. So here in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually create merge two PDF, okay, two single PDF and create a new one. Here you can see I have two PDF here. So actually I want to merge them and I want to make a new PDF, okay, by merging them, okay. So let me just import them here in the project. So here you can see I have imported them. I have added them in the project, right? If I go here, you can see PDF1 and PDF2. So at first I have to import a module, okay? So for this actually I'm going to create a new file. I will say merge, okay, merge.pdf.py. So first of all I have to open the terminal. So I will right click on it and I will say open in terminal. So this is the terminal. We have to import a module in our code. So to do this, we have to go to the browser and we have to search for PikePDF2. And here the first link, go here and you just have to install it, okay? So copy it and go to the terminal and paste it here, press enter, and it will actually start installing. So successfully installed, right? Now we have to import the module. So I will say from PikePDF, okay, I have to give here capital letters. So PikePDF2 import PdfMerger, okay. I'll make a list. So I will say my list is equal to, oops, not like this here. So the I want to actually say here I want to mention here two PDF, okay, because I want to merge them, right? PDF1 and PDF2. So the first one will be PDF1 PDF1.pdf, right? And the second one is PDF2.pdf. okay, I can say here PDF all, right? PDF all. Let's go to the new line and I will say here our merger is equal to PdfMerger, okay, like this. And now we need to run a for loop and we need a variable, right? So I will say new PDF in, then I have to say PDF all, right, colon. I'll say here our merger dot append. Here I have to mention the new PDF, okay, a variable. Then I have to say our merger.write. So I want to convert them. So here you can see our merger.append. So now both PDF1 and PDF2 will be actually appended, right, will be merged. And now I want to save as new name. So I will say here new, or what can I say, converted PDF. Let's say converted or merged PDF, okay, merged PDF underscore PDF, okay, dot PDF. Now here I have to say our, oops, not like this. Now here I have to say our merger dot close. If I run the code, now you can see our merge PDF.pdf. If I open it on Google Chrome, let's say, and here you can see we have added them, right? We have two different PDF and we have added them, merged them, okay, and create a new PDF. So this is the way actually you can merge, PDF, multiple PDF in a single PDF, okay. So this is the last video for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.